To save us both some writing, I've actually sort of started this first problem for you. It says we're supposed to take the binomial 3x minus 2 and multiply it by the trinomial 5x squared minus 4x plus 1. Don't let this problem scare you. It's actually exactly the same as what we were doing in lesson 2. It's a double distribution. First, we have to take the 3x and distribute it through the whole second binomial. Then we take the negative 2 and we distribute it through the whole second binomial. That's what's already been written out for you there. So from there, we actually need to do those two distributions. So 3x times 5x squared is 15x cubed. Remember, when you multiply with the same base, you add the exponents. Then 3x times negative 4x is negative 12x squared. And 3x times positive 1 is plus 3x. Doing the second round of distribution, negative 2 times 5x squared is negative 10x squared. Negative 2 times negative 4 is positive 8x, and negative 2 times positive 1 is negative 2. From there, we can combine our like terms. They're not quite all in order. I've got an x squared here and an x squared there, and then a 3x here and an 8x there. The other two are not like terms, so they don't get combined with anything. So in standard form, our answer is 15x cubed minus 22x squared plus 11x minus 2. And just as a reminder, that would be called a cubic polynomial in 4 terms. I'm not writing it down because the instructions didn't ask us to classify this one. Next, we're being asked to simplify just two binomials that are multiplying each other. So I'm going to first distribute the 3a to the 2a plus 5b. And then I'm going to distribute a negative 4b to the 2a plus 5b. When we do that, 3a times 2a is 6a squared. 3a times 5b is plus 15ab. Negative 4b times 2a is negative 8ab. Now notice I could have written ba instead of ab, because BA is the order in which the variables occur in that part of the problem. But remember, the commutative property for multiplication says when I multiply two things together, I can do it in any order I want to, and the answer will turn out the same. So if I always go with alphabetical order, it will help me to identify like terms later. So finally, I need to do negative 4b times 5b, which is negative 20b squared. I can now see that those two middle terms really are like terms because they both have an a and a b. So I have 6a squared plus 7ab minus 20b squared. And that would be a quadratic trinomial. But again, I'm just reminding you of that vocab because we weren't asked to write that for this problem.